Big Tractor Power is out in a northeastern Iowa field not far from the town of Dyersville, Iowa, famously known as the farm toy capital of the world, where toy tractor makers Ertl, SpecCast, and Scale models are based. In this video, we're going to spend time in the field seeing and hearing a very unique and standout combination of farm machinery, a classic and a modern-day combination of a 1980s International 3788 2+2 tractor and a modern-day AGCO WHITE 8516 16-row central fill planter planting soybeans. I hope that you'll enjoy seeing this unique combination, and I'll share some specifications on both the classic tractor and the modern-day planter. The 2+2 tractor design was introduced by International Harvester for model year 1979. It combined a front-forward engine design with a rear articulated cab. In the United States, it was fondly nicknamed the Anteater, and over in Europe, the Snoopy, because of that long nose where the engine is mounted. This tractor was designed to apply four-wheel drive traction to row crop work. With the front-forward engine and the cab mounted behind it, the operator was always right back where the action was happening, whether the tractor was plowing, planting, working with a row crop cultivator, or a PTO-powered implement like a forage harvester or a pull-type combine. The operator could always see the work that was happening, where with a traditional articulated four-wheel drive, the cab is mounted up ahead of the articulation point up near the engine. So the 2+2 is much more like a mechanical front-wheel drive tractor today, with a front-forward long engine and the operator right back where the work is happening. The 2+2 tractor featured in this video is an International 3788 rated at 170 PTO horsepower. It was manufactured from 1980 through 1981 at International Harvester's Rock Island, Illinois Farmall tractor plant, with just over 2,400 units being produced in its 2 years of production. It's powered by a 466 cubic inch 7.6 liter International Harvester DT 466B engine. The tractor has a 2-speed power shift transmission with 12 forward and 6 reverse speeds. The tractor weighed in at 16,520 pounds from the factory and can be field weighted up to 18,620 pounds. It features an independent 1,000 RPM PTO and a 12-gallon per minute hydraulic pump. The tractor originally was priced at $56,990. The International 3788 2+2 in this video is pulling an AGCO WHITE 8516 CFS planter. The White 8516 planter was first introduced by AGCO in the year 2003 and was manufactured for about a decade. The 8516 CFS model is a central fill system, and it has two 45-bushel translucent polyethylene hoppers for holding a variety of seeds. The planter is built to plant corn, soybeans, milo, sugar beets, popcorn, and winter wheat. The 8516 in this video is planting soybeans in northeastern Iowa. The planter has 8 degrees of flexibility on its 2 different wings, for a total of 16 degrees of flexibility to follow the contours of the field to allow seed depth accuracy across the entire planter. This planter has on-the-go seed rate control, so it can plant the right number of seeds in the right conditions in the field. It will fold up from 40 feet wide in the field to just 16 feet 2 inches for transportation down the road. Now that we've talked a little bit about the International 3788 2+2 tractor and the AGCO WHITE 8516 CFS 16-row planter, let's take a little time to hear and see this machinery combination planting soybeans out in this northeastern Iowa field. I hope that you've enjoyed this video sharing the standout combination of a classic International 3788 2+2 tractor and a modern day AGCO WHITE 8516 central fill 16-row planter. This was a really great find, and I'm really excited to be able to share it with you on Big Tractor Power YouTube. If you'd like to see more videos of big farm machinery in action, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machinery in action. As always, thank you for watching.